there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, Bliss. Today's video is all in dedication of my beautiful braid showcase video that I have done. I know a lot of you guys like my braids in that video, so I'm going to show you how I got that look. So I have completed pretty much my whole head of braids. It's just the front part of my hair I need to finish up. So let's get started. I'm using two colors today. I'm using brown and I'm using the number 30. Products that I'm going to use in today's video is the Maui Vanilla Bean Hair Butter. Also, I'm using the Ample Style Shine and Jam Gel. These two products together works wonders. The scent of the products does not intertwine and cause a bad odor. It just really works. So I love these two products and they are very affordable. So these are definitely two product combinations to consider when doing your braids. Yes. So I know I'm going pretty fast in this video with installing other braids, but it is because I am so broken down. I know a lot of you guys out there wonder, how long does the braiding process take? Well, it's just me and I'm braiding my hair by myself, so it takes me about 8 hours. So I am broken down to the nub. By the way, I am no professional hair braider. I just braid my hair in a way that works for me. I've been braiding my own hair for the past year or so, and I've surprised myself, you guys. Each time I braid my hair, I get better and better. So I'm hoping this video will serve as inspiration to someone out there who's considering braiding their own hair or wants to braid their own hair. Yes, yes, yes. Also, when braiding your hair, make sure you're in the mood to braid your hair because it is so time consuming. Never do your hair when you don't feel like being bothered with it. You're not going to get your best results at all. Okay, you guys, so as you saw there, I'm just kind of measuring, making sure that I get this braid down to the same length of my other braids. Do not want to have some braids shorter than the other unless that's the look you're going for. And that was just another food for thought for any of you guys out there that are braiding your hair. So I'm kind of cleaning this braid up a little bit before we move on to the next one. So I'm going to slow this down and do this one more time for you. So this is my hair. I have already applied the product. That is the moisturizing product and the gel. Now I'm going in with installing the braid. Ladies, when braiding your hair around the perimeter of your head, make sure you proceed with extreme caution. It is very difficult growing that perimeter back, so you want to make sure that you take your time with these areas. Now, although it's going really fast, I just kind of sped it up the video for the sake of time. I'm slowing it down again. This is the true speed that I'm going when braiding my hair. So a lot of you guys out there are probably wondering when to add more product to the braid. So when I have come down to almost the end of my hair, as you guys can see, then I like to go in with a little bit of the moisturizing product and a little bit of gel because I want to make sure that I seal my hair in underneath the braid. I do not want to have any of my hair sprouting out of the braid. And I'm also braiding very tightly in this area. Okay, you guys, so we have reached the end of this braid and I am just cleaning it up a little bit as well before we move on to the next braid. So a lot of you guys are wondering how to mix in your colors. Well, I have my red there and my brown. So basically what I like to do is just hold the hair up and kind of comb through the hairs with my hand, or you could use a wide tooth comb. This is to get the colors distributed amongst each other. And I have gone in and installed the braid, or the KANKELON hair, I'm sorry. Again, I can't stress it enough. Take your time. Now, as you guys can see, all of my braids are not really close to the scalp. This is purposely done because I don't want to put a lot of strain on my scalp, being that I have been wearing braids back to back to back. However, along the perimeter, I do try to get as close as I possibly can to the scalp, but not to braid in the hair too tightly. When to clip the stragglers. So you can clip the stragglers off at the end, but I like to do it for each braid. You guys can see right there those little stragglers of hair. So those are the hairs that I'm cutting off. They may look little and harmless, but they can be deadly at night when you're trying to go to bed. They will poke at your skin, make your skin itch. So I clean it up after each braid. Next, I follow behind that with a little fire. I kind of go up and down the braid one time with the fire, and then near the end of the braid, I want to make sure that the fire is there really, really good, and I will explain why a little bit later in the video. Again, trying to finish up. How do I do my ends? Now, this is going to go hand in hand with the fire. So when I get my braid to my preferred length, I go in and I create a knot at the end of the braid, as you guys see here. So then I'm going to pull that hair in and lock in the knot, and I'm going to do it one more time to ensure I have a secured knot there. You do not have to do this. This is all in what you like. You could just braid the hair down until you can't braid anymore. Next, I'm going to go in with the fire where the knot is at the end of the braid, and I'm going to burn the knot. This helps seal the knot in place and ensure that the hair will not become unraveled. I'm going to go in one more time with the fire, and that is it. I am satisfied. Moving right along, here are the results. I hope you guys out there really enjoyed today's video. I hope you like this look. I love you, and I'll see you tulips in the next video. Smooches. Mwah.